What's up guys, this is Kitchen Confidence, and in this video I'm going to show you how to debone chicken thighs. Bone in! But we're going to make this boneless. So let me show you how. So the first thing you're going to want to do is find the bone, just feel along there. And you'll be able to see where the bone is, you'll be able to feel it. So with that tip of the knife, go along the bone and start to expose it. You'll be able to see it as you cut along there. And right there you can now see the bone. You're going to use the bone as a guide to cut along the bone. Now stay as close as possible. Right there we see the bone. I'm using the tip of my knife just to cut along there. The joint is going to be a little tricky, but you can follow along the bone just like that. Turn this as you go, and then just carefully work the knife around there. And you see the most of the work is going to be getting around the joint, but when you move the knife along the bone itself, it's going to be fairly easy. So you just work your way around there just like that, and then you'll free it out. You'll free the meat from the bone. So just work the knife. It takes a little bit of practice. Just keep turning and then cut around the joint and separate it, and boom, there you go. Look at how clean that bone is. Boneless and so clean. Now we're going to start with another one just to show you again. Right here we've got our bone. Just feel along there, you'll feel the bone. Now with the tip of your knife, just cut along there and start to find your way around the bone. So right there we've got our bone. Just cutting along the joint, along the bone, and it's gonna start to come off really clean. Once you start getting used to this, it gets a lot easier. So you just work the knife around just like that, and then you're gonna have boneless chicken thighs in no time. And that's all it takes, everybody. That's all it is. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And remember, Kitchen Confidence starts with you.